Today's recipe is something I'm pretty sure everybody enjoys. Today we are going to be making banana pudding. This recipe is super simple, it's balanced, and it's delicious. If you're new here, my name is Sophia. I'm a professional pastry chef in New York City, and on this channel I show you how to create restaurant quality desserts in the comfort of your own home. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, don't forget to subscribe and let's get straight into it. First things first, we are going to make our pastry cream. This pastry cream recipe has the most perfect, silky, and elastic texture. You're gonna click on my mille-feuille video for the full recipe and tutorial on how to make that pastry cream. The only difference is that we are going to make half of a batch. So the technique is going to be exactly the same, and I'm going to put the correct measurements in the description bar below. So go make the pastry cream and then come back to this point. Next, we are going to place 360 grams or 1.5 cups of heavy cream in a bowl and begin to whip that until we reach a medium peak. Then we are going to take our chilled pastry cream and begin to gently fold the two together. Now you don't want to mix this completely. You only want to mix it about 75% through. You should still have some streaks of whipped cream and some streaks of pastry cream in the final base. Now that we are done with our filling, that's it. I told you guys it was super simple. We are going to transfer that filling into a pastry cream and we are ready to begin assembling our banana pudding cups. This recipe yields 6 cups, so you're going to need to thinly slice about 2 ripe bananas and then set those aside. In the base of our cup, mine is a 5-ounce portion. We are going to place a layer of Nilla Wafers in the base. I'm using the mini ones. Followed by a thin layer of our pudding cream mixture. Next, we are adding a layer of bananas. And then repeating this process again. So you'll have 2 layers of wafers and 2 layers of bananas. Then for the top of the cup, I'm applying even pressure to create a slight dome on the top. I am adding a banana chip and we are ready to dig in.
I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it?
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans, will a rock with my rebel yell onion.
Okay you guys, that is it for another recipe. Let's dig in. I should also mention that you want to let these sit for like an hour or so that Nilla wafer can really soften. It's so good. When it comes to desserts, often less is more, which is why I think banana pudding is so loved. It's so simple, it's basic, it's easy to make, there's no fuss about it, but it is so balanced and delicious. The days of packaged powder pudding mix are behind you. Make this pastry cream. It comes together in just a few minutes and it really helps to elevate the flavor profiles in this dessert. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment down below some recipes you guys want to see in the future, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Say you wanna love me, wanna touch me, think twice cause you got a long way